Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this rice water for my hair. It is very easy. Rice water contains mostly vitamin B and vitamin C. It helps to improve your hair growth, prevent dandruff, and make you have more healthy hair. I'm going to be showing you the easiest and quick step. What you need is a bowl. It can be any type of bowl at all. I'm going to be using this glass bowl. You need your rice. It can be any rice, any color, brown, white rice, small grains. I'm using this long grain rice. The rice does not need to be measured. There's no particular measurement for the rice or anything I'm using here. Just use any amount you want. And I'm going to be using this jar. It can be any airtight jar because you want the rice to ferment. I'll be using this orange bark, the peel of the orange, to prevent the water from smelling. Then I'm putting my rice in my bowl. I'm going to wash it just to make sure it is clean, because some rice can be dirty with debris, and that is why I'm washing the rice not too much, just to take away the initial dirt. The orange bark, you don't need too much. Usually some people complain that the rice water ferment, you're leaving it over the night and the rice water can begin to smell in the hair. So just put the orange peel to prevent the smell from the rice water when it's fermented. That's why I'm using those orange peel. It is not compulsory, it is optional. So after I've rinsed my rice, I'm going to put all the rice into the jar. Any jar that is airtight is fine. So make sure the jar is airtight and just transfer all your grains, all your rice into the jar. It is that easy. Once that's done, you don't need to measure the amount of water you're going to be using. I'm going to be putting it under the tap, so you see that I've not measured the water that I'm going to be pouring in the rice. So that's my rice in my jar. I'm just going to put it under the tap to fill the jar to the brim, or almost full. That's all. You don't need to measure anything. So that is it, it's covered. And then I'm going to add the bark or the peel of the orange to the water. Like I said, just remove the bad smell because of the fermentation over the night. Once that is done, I'm going to make sure my jar is well covered, because you don't want any air getting into the jar. It's just to ease or to aid fermentation, that's all. Once that's done, I'm going to set my jar aside and I'm going to leave it for 24 hours. You can use this rice water immediately or after 30 minutes, but the more fermented the rice is, the more you have the content or the nutrients into the water. And this is 24 hours later. My rice is fermented. I'm going to be showing you how the rice has changed over the night. Initially, you cannot break rice with your hand or your finger, but because it is fermented and it is now soft, the nutrient that has gone into the water, you see how soft it is. I can use my finger or my hand to just break it into pieces, and it is just easy. See how soft my rice has become because of soaking it over the night. So I'm happy. I'm sure the nutrient and everything has gone into the water. And I have my spray bottle here. You can use any hairspray bottle, either the customized one or anything that can spray your hair. And I'm going to be using this funnel to transfer the water without the rice and without the orange bark, just the plain water into the jar. And that is my rice water ready for use. Once I'm done transferring all my rice water into the spray bottle, I'm going to cover the spray bottle and I'm good to go. My rice water is ready to use. If you have excess rice water, you can keep it in the fridge for as much as 1 week. It will not go bad, especially since you've put the orange peel into the water. You can keep it and keep using it, but remember, do not overuse it, especially if you have a very dry hair. You should use it 1 or 2 times a week. And once that is done, I just cover the jar and I begin to spray generously into my hair. I'm sorry for the color of my hair here. You're going to see in the next clip that my hair is not this color. My hair is very dark. My hair color is changed here because of the recording filter I used, and I couldn't change it back when I was editing. So my hair is black, and you're going to see it even in this video that my hair is very black. I've got no dandruff, and you can also achieve that. I'm just going to part my hair. My hair is not so long because it's not long. I started training my hair again. My hair is not so long, so it is very easy for me to spray the rice water generously into my hair, and I'm going to be massaging the water into my hair, into the roots. Make sure it gets to the roots. If your hair is very long, be patient enough to part it gently and make sure you get all the roots of the hair up to the tip of the hair. Massage it thoroughly, and that is it. Once I am happy with the water, I'm sure it has gone around, I'm going to be using this plastic bag. You can use any nylon at all. It can be your shower cap, because anything to make sure there's heat. And I'm going to be using this, my coconut shampoo. I'm falling in love with this shampoo because it smells so nice, and because it's from coconut. I left the hair for like 30 minutes, the rice water into the hair for like 30 minutes, and I'm ready to wash it. I guess you can see the color of my hair here. This is the real color I've got on. My hair is dark, and I'm just going to be the water is still in the hair, and I'm going to just add the shampoo into it, and I'm going to be ready for wash. I'm going to make sure I rinse it thoroughly all around. Just also massage your scalp for blood circulation, and I'm going to be washing it off. Remember to leave the rice water in your hair for like 20 to 30 minutes so it can be absorbed and it can get into the hair properly. So I'm just going to keep washing. Make sure you've washed off all the soap. I'm going to have a thorough bath, and I'll be back to show you how my hair looks after all the wash. I'm going to be giving you an update after 2 weeks of how far my hair has gone from what the length is right now. So I have had the bath, and that is my hair right now. That is how shiny it looks. It's just so good, and it's easy to do. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned to my channel. Thank you for all your support. It is not taken for granted. I appreciate everyone who has watched. I appreciate you that have subscribed. Thank you for the love. Please keep watching and keep subscribing. I'm going to be updating you on this hair in 2 weeks. Thank you for watching.